Casual Noob, and this is Rivals Tips and Tricks 6. Now, we're going to be checking out the guns. Like, for example, movement speed, drop off, and I don't know what that is. But we'll be learning about movement speed and how fast you can go. Rivals Tips and Tricks 6. Now, with some guns, you can go slow, and with some guns, you can go fast. Like these, the rifles, usually give you -10 move speed, but weapons like the bow and the crossbow give you extra movement speed. But bigger guns like the RPG and sniper give you less running speed. Gunblade and shotgun will give you regular running speed. Don't know about these ones. Stuff. But daggers can also be like flare gun, which will give you 10 plus movement speed. And for like real stuff, yes, flare gun does give you 10 plus movement speed, but it does not do 40 damage a second. The handgun is normal too, but the revolver can make your movement speed go down. We'll be checking out movement speed and this stuff. Guns that will give you movement speed are these and such. -10 movement speed. Now these like slower movement speeds can actually be stopped by, you know how the Warhorn will give you a speed boost of 35%. If you are using it with an assault rifle, the joint speed will be 25%. But let's see fast one. If you use flare gun or daggers while using Warhorn, that is a speed boost of 45%, which is a lot. Let me show you. So Warhorn and flare gun. Warhorn. Wait, no, that's grenade. Warhorn. So see, look how fast I am. Like that. It's that fast. You can also view damage, such as Uzi. 82 damage. It's not much damage, but it's a lot. But Shorty is... Most of these guns will give you normal speed, not that much slowed, but they can do many things. You can also get cosmetics by doing this, by making it like white or contracts, and by these. You can get wraps and charms by going into the shop and boom, like this. So if I buy a wrap box right now, you want to go into backpack and for example, let me go to Shorty and hold on. See, it'll be in wrap. You can also do a bunch of more stuff. I'll pick inlets. It's pretty cool, actually. The wraps can be really cool because they can be in different colors and such. You can also get these by using different weapons. And yes, I use trowel, if you're wondering. So if you do one thing with one thing, you can get loads of these wraps, like inlets. Which is really cool as well. You know, okay. What? Wait, I got this? Oh, okay. But wraps are really cool as well. I'm not joking. These are really cool. Now you can also, to earn keys, this isn't a gun one, but I mean, it's a stats one, I guess. To earn keys, you can do things like tasks. You can also go to duels. For example, I nearly have 500 eliminations with Revolver. And as a bonus, for me using shield, so the snipers don't hit me, it'll do this. Good tips and tricks videos. There's also, you can also buy it in the shop, like these, but I don't really know. You can also get stuff by liking the game, joining the group, and redeeming codes. It's actually pretty cool. Well played, B. Okay. Like this, right here. Also, possibly during events. Anyway, guys, that's Rival Tips and Tricks 6. Money and stuff. Okay, bye.